Yay! Wow!
We're going to eat now. Hello. Oh.
I cried the car because my
Tummy is hurt.
Oh.
Because the road is like the large intestine of your stomach, like this one.
making her
That is why.
Do you have bobas?
Yes.
Can you give me wait, so there's a chain.
Huh? Phone?
So, okay. We're gonna eat first, okay, guys?
Dito tayo, magkain muna tayo. Tapos, bawal ang sakit yan.
So, get your food.
Maybe it's Kuya. Kuya, where's the phone?
Asan ang phone ko yan?
Your phone.
Mas maganda nga dito yung pwesto natin para
No phone. We're going on a trip. Please. No phone.
Uy, 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 uy.
lower your voice, bebe.
No, na to.
Dapat namin sa
Oh.
Magtabi kayo.
How do I
Hoy,
get
ano?
1 billion check?
Bilid.
Ina, it's okay. Put it there. Put sa bag.
I know.
Oh, get our stuff.
Ay, ng tissue. Tagi ang tissue. Kasi nag-ano, naglalaway.
I thought you said yeah.
O tara, dito na
No.
lang.
What
Sa may plastic doon na basurahan mo.
It's a fix.
Kaya ko naman ako.
Ano yun? Gabi.
Lapag tayo ng ano.
Uy, dali na! Come on! Sige, masayang ka. Ano?